Look, up you go. Woo. Right, woo. Your cape's flying. Hello, everybody. Welcome. We've been playing superheroes today, haven't we, Oscar? Oscar's been dressing up. He's made himself a mask. And we found a cape out of an old t-shirt, didn't we? And you've been playing... Oh, yes, I know. And you've been playing superheroes, all because we found a wonderful book called Zippo, the Super Hippo. And we've had fun all this afternoon being a superhero. And being a superhero is not necessarily anything big. Sometimes it's just making sure that everybody is happy, that you're looking after whoever's in your house, be it a grandparent or your mummy or daddy or your brother or sister, and looking after them. And then you can be a hero and a superhero. Taking care and being kind. Excellent. Would you like to go and sit down and listen to the story? You would. Can you see with your mask on? You can. Okay. Right, you go over there. And I love the cape. Look at the cape. Out of a t-shirt. Maybe you could do that later. Good boy. You want to sit there? That's it. And then you can see. Okay. So you could make a superhero's outfit, couldn't you? Make yourself a mask and a cape out of somebody's t-shirt. Amazing. Let's see what's going on with this story, shall we? Zippo, the Super Hippo. Let's have a little look. I wish I was super, said Zippo, the hippo, to his best friend Roxy, the oxpecker. I think you are super, said Roxy. I wish I had a superpower, said Zippo. What sort of superpower, said Roxy. Something exciting, something amazing, something big, said Zippo. Can you see him? Talking to his friend, telling him all about how he wants to be a superhero and have exciting powers. Everyone has a superpower, said Raoul. You just have to work at it. And what is yours? Shall we see? I can stand on no legs, said the bird. Wow, so the bird can fly. I can't even stand on 3 legs, said Zippo. You do have a rather big bottom, said Roxy. Oh, so Zippo can't even stand on 0 legs, on 3 legs. So he goes off to see another friend. It's plodding a superpower, said Hippo, because I'm really good at plodding. What do you think? Do you think it's good? Not really, said Roxy. It's getting muddy. Is getting muddy a superpower, asked Hippo. I'm brilliant at getting muddy. Not exactly, said Roxy. What else can you do? Because he loves getting muddy, because hippos like to go in the mud, don't they? Do you know what he did? I'm good at swimming, said Zippo, and he went splosh. Splishing and sploshing and splashing. There's nothing very super about that, splashing and splashing, said Roxy. How about flying? What happened to the frog? Wow, how about flying? Do you think hippos can fly? I haven't even thought about flying, said Zippo. Then you should, said Roxy. Flying is so easy. I've been doing it ever since I was in the egg. Just imagine how super it would be if you could fly. Zippo thought. You're right, said Hippo. If I could fly, I could get a super cape and some super boots, and I could fly around the world being Zippo, the superhero. In that case, follow me, said Roxy excitedly. It's time for your first flying lesson. Wow, he looks amazing in his super outfit, doesn't he? Oh, and he's got an H on there for Hippo. Zippo climbed to the edge of a very high waterfall, flopped his arms like Rex. And what do you think he did? And then he jumped. And he went down and down. Who's that waiting at the bottom, Oscar? Yeah, it's a crocodile, isn't it? And he went down and down and down. Oh no! And splosh. And he landed on top of the crocodile. Oh, sorry, said Zippo. Because Zippo was trying to fly, but he didn't fly. fly, didn't he? He just landed with a splash on top of the crocodile. Never mind, quack, quack. Zippo climbed to the top of a very tall tree and quacked like a duck. Quack, quack. And then jumped. But where did he land? Oh no! He landed on one of his friends. He went, oh, I'm sorry. He's not doing very well with his flying lessons, is he? Zippo climbed to the top of a very steep cliff, squawked like a vulture, and jumped. Now, where's he going? Is he flying? No. He's going down, 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 and flattened the vulture. Sorry, said Zippo. Oh dear, poor Zippo. I don't think flying is really the thing for me, said Zippo. No, but landing is, said Roxy. Did you see what happened each time you landed? Do you know what he said? Yes, I squashed somebody. You didn't just squash them, said Roxy. You just got them with your bottom. I got them with my bottom, said Zippo. You got them with your bottom, said Roxy. You came out of the sky in your super hippo costume and got them with your superhuman bottom. Oh. So I did, said Zippo. Very actually pleased with himself. You're not a super hippopotamus, Zippo, said Roxy. You are a super hippopotamus. So I am, said Zippo, a super hippopotamus. This could be the start of something big, said Roxy. How big, said Zippo. Do you know what his friend said? Super big, said Roxy. Look at his big bottom and his wonderful cape. Wow. So he found something that he was good at, didn't he? So if you go and find yourself a cape and go and find yourself make yourself a mask, then you might be able to find some. Oh, thank you. Come and join us. You might be able to find something that you're really good at. We know what you're good at, don't we? You're good at talking, aren't you? Yes, you are. Excellent. So you have a fun time and go and find what's really your superpower that you're really, really good at and have some fun. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.